You know that uneasy feeling when you're cooking or sleeping and worry about a fire or carbon monoxide? I've spent the past week testing the top 5 smoke and co alarms you can buy, so you don't waste money on one that either screams too much or misses danger entirely. Today, I'm breaking down which ones actually work, how they feel in your hands, and which ones are worth installing in your home. Product number 1, Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, 30 CUDRV. When I first held this Kidde combo detector, I was impressed by how compact and solid it felt. The 5-inch design isn't bulky and it clicks into its ceiling bracket very securely. I like that it runs on 2 AA batteries, no wiring stress at all. During testing, the voice alert stood out. It actually says fire or warning carbon monoxide clearly, which gives you precious seconds to react. The LED indicators make it easy to know the status at a glance, and I rarely got false alarms even while frying bacon. The weekly test button is handy, and the hush feature silences accidental triggers without fuss. My verdict: if you want reliable 2-in-1 protection and clear alerts, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for bedrooms or anywhere you want both smoke and co coverage. And the 10-year warranty is a nice safety net. Moving on, there's a budget-friendly alternative that still performs well. Product number 2, First Alert SMI 100 3-pack. Holding the First Alert SMI 100 felt straightforward. It's lightweight and simple, not flashy but solid. The front battery access is a small detail, but it made swapping batteries painless. Installation was a breeze, just mount and go. Performance-wise, I noticed it's very sensitive to smoke without being overly twitchy from cooking. I was cooking toast and pancakes and it didn't scream at me, which was a relief. The test and silence button works smoothly, and the end-of-life warning is helpful. It gives you a heads-up before the battery or unit needs replacing. My verdict: if you want multiple alarms for a full house on a budget, this 3-pack is a smart choice. It's simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. While it doesn't cover carbon monoxide, it's a no-fuss option for pure smoke detection. Next, there's another First Alert that adds co-protection without overcomplicating things. Product number 3, First Alert Combination Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm SMCO 100. This First Alert combo felt just a bit more substantial in my hand than the SMI 100, probably because it's a 2-in-1 unit. I appreciated the clean white design, blends in nicely on ceilings. Battery installation was just as painless, and I liked that it's fully battery operated. The test and silence button worked without delay, which is great for accidentally triggered alarms. I also appreciated the end-of-life warning. It's nice to get a notification before a replacement becomes urgent. I tested it near my stove, and the advanced sensing technology really reduced false alarms. My verdict: if you want both smoke and co coverage in one easy-to-install detector, this is my pick. It's a good step up from the smoke-only models for anyone who's concerned about carbon monoxide. Moving on, I tried a Kidde option with a long-life battery that eliminates constant changes. Product number 4, Kidde Smoke Detector 10-year battery powered. This Kidde detector immediately felt sturdy in my hands, and knowing it has a 10-year battery built in is a huge relief. No yearly battery swaps. The design is simple but functional, with clear red and green LEDs that communicate status instantly. Performance-wise, it's impressive. Smoke triggers the loud 85 decibel alarm, and I didn't get false alarms while cooking. I love that the built-in battery lasts the full 10 years, saving both money and hassle. The test button is reliable, and it even self-checks internally. I tested it a few times and it always responded as expected. My verdict: if you hate changing batteries and want something that's set it and forget it, this is the one. Great for hallways or common areas where you want dependable smoke protection without maintenance. Now for anyone who wants a classic AA battery option that's simple but reliable. Product number 5, Kidde Smoke Detector AA battery-powered 20 SDR. This model feels very similar to the first Kidde I tested, but it's smoke-only and slightly smaller. Installation is easy, just twist and click into its bracket. The 2 AA batteries are included, and swapping them every 6 months is straightforward. The alarm itself is loud and responsive. During testing, it triggered quickly to smoke, but rarely gave false alarms while cooking. The hush and test buttons worked smoothly, and the LED indicators are clear. I also like that it reminded me when the batteries were low, very convenient. The 10-year warranty is reassuring too. My verdict: if you want a reliable, basic smoke detector that's easy to install and maintain, this is perfect. It's simple, affordable, and works exactly as it should, making it ideal for bedrooms or smaller spaces. All of these alarms are solid, but depending on whether you want carbon monoxide coverage, long-life batteries, or a multi-pack, there's an option here for you. Check the links in the description to see current prices and grab the one that fits your home and budget. Stay safe out there.